Welcome to our YouTube channel. Get ready to witness unbelievable car crashes, intense road incidents, and valuable driving lessons captured on camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Terrifying head-on collision. Dashcam captures a shocking crash on Easter. Speeding gone wrong. Camaro races a big truck and loses badly. Hit and run madness. She pulled a Deion Sanders. Touchdown dance after crashing into me. Caught on camera, shocking hit and run incident. Recorded on a Ring doorbell. Flying debris. A loose tire on I-15 northbound. Las Vegas causes chaos at 60 to 70 miles per hour.
Yeah, we hit a tire. Middle of nowhere. Wow. Yeah, luckily we didn't roll. Wow. Woo! We hit a tire, for sure.
Fuck, yeah, that was fucking.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, I felt it.
It was a bump.
Yep, boom.
And that car, I think that car's lost.
Hit that car too. Fuck, that car hit the fucking tire too, I'm sure.
Wow.
Brake check gone wrong. A risky maneuver leads to a near disaster. Reckless lane cutting. A truck challenges a container truck and pays the price. Angry driver destroys my car. What do you think about this outrageous behavior?